How to contact customer support in Hunting Sniper. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are playing Hunting Sniper and need help with an issue, your account, a purchase or something else in the game, then you can easily contact the game's customer support team. First of all, launch open Hunting Sniper on your Android or iOS. Once you're in the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu button. Now open up the settings option and inside settings, go ahead and look for the support email option at the bottom. Tap the copy button right in front of support email, and once you copy the email, you can go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and then click on the compose button at the bottom right. In the to text box, paste in the email that you just copied and then go ahead and enter the subject for your appeal. After you do that, go to compose email and then clearly explain the problem you're experiencing. You can include useful information such as your player ID, device, and screenshots if they are relevant to the issue you are talking about. Once you are done typing in all of the info, go ahead and tap on this little airplane icon at the top right to send in the email. So that's how you easily contact Hunting Sniper customer support when you need help. Hopefully they'll get your issue sorted out quickly. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.